Hello, my name is Jerome, and welcome to my RC Construction YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to talk about my Lesu 850K bulldozer. It's a machine that's frustrated me since I bought it last year. The machine works extremely well, but after about an hour and a half of driving it, these track motor assemblies just start making a loud screeching sound. And I've taken them apart, I don't know, 7, 8 different times. The gears aren't chewed up. I clean them up, put a little lube on them, put them back together, and I got about another hour and a half. And it's so frustrating that I don't even play with it often. However, I was using this assembly transmitter ESC to drive these. However, I went on 3 different AIs yesterday, Perplexity, Claude, and Gemini, and I put in my model number and the exact problem that I'm having. And what all 3 AIs told me is that this has a planetary gear system on the inside. And it said that these gears, if they're not lubed up correctly, then they will make that loud screeching, chattering sound that I've been getting. And so I asked it, what's the solution? And it told me that generally when these come from Lesu, they have a very light amount of grease on the gears. And the gear ratio of this is 1 to 562, I believe. So these gears spin fast and they generate a lot of heat. And what usually happens is the grease gets hot and it burns off, and then that makes them get even noisier. And I have been frustrated and just let it scream until I see smoke coming from the back motors. I shut it down. So their solution, by far, they offered several different lubricants to put in here. And they recommended as a #1 top choice to buy this Super Lube right here. But it has to be Super Lube number 21030. That's Super Lube 21030. And the great thing about this lube is it's a very high temperature lube, so it won't burn off and leave the gears without any lubricant. It has synthetic microparticles in here that get into the pores of the gears to help the gears stay lubricated. And if you use something such as lithium grease, when they spin at high speed, the grease just flings off of the gears and then they get hotter and hotter. This grease will not fling off of the gears. So today yesterday, I took all of these apart and I cleaned all the grease off of everything in here. And I ordered some of this from eBay, which is not going to get here till next week. So I had AI search today, and they found that my local Napa store had this in stock. So I went and bought a tube so I could work on it now. So I am going to load these up with grease, reassemble them, see how quiet they are, and then put my bulldozer back together. Also, it mentioned that I should put about, in the space where these gears go, about 40% of it should be grease. If you put grease more than that, it will start to bog down the gears and create more problems, more resistance. So I'm going to load these up with grease and see how it goes. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the gears out of here. And we have 2 different size gears. The top level has small gears. The second level has larger gears. Third level is large gears. And the fourth level is back to small gears. So the large gears are sandwiched in between the small ones, and the very bottom cog has a larger gear up here to mesh with these smaller ones. And the motor, this has a larger gear to mesh with these smaller ones. So this is what the inside of this looks like. So the outer part of this is also a gear. It's the outer wall with the teeth meshing to, and the teeth meshing into that makes this rotate, which makes this rotate. All right. So one awesome thing I like about this grease is it's clear. A lot of the grease that I put on is black, and it just makes it very messy. So I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. I think I'll just put some in here and scoop it out. Matter of fact, I'm going to put this on while it's inside of here. I put 2 screws in here to hold this assembly together to give it a try. That is silent. I like it. So that is how you fix your Lesu A50K bulldozer rear track motor screeching and overheating. Once I get this in the machine, I'm going to try to bulldoze for a couple hours straight and see if this actually fixed the problem or if the problem comes back. If the problem comes back, I am going to look to buy another bulldozer because I don't want to have to do 2 hours of this maintenance every time I play with the bulldozer for 2 hours. But anyway, that's my video for today. If you got any questions, put them in the comments and I will talk to you later. Click like for the video. Peace.